Hi, welcome to this class. In this class, we are going to learn about face value of digits and place value of digits. Let's start with face value of digits. Before we say what is face value of digits, let's get the meaning of the following words in the statement face value of digits. Let's start with the word digits. So, what is a digit? A digit is a symbol used to stand for a number. We can also say a digit is a symbol used to represent a number. And the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's look at the meaning of the word value. So, what is value? Value is how much something is. We can also say value is how many something is. Now, let's look at the meaning of the word face. So, what is face? Well, the face of a thing helps us to identify what the thing is. That is to say that when we see the face of something, then we are able to identify what the thing is. Well, as you are looking at my face, you will be able to say who I am. But if you look at me from my back, you may not be able to say who I am. Unless, of course, you are very familiar with me. Now, let's take the meaning of the words that we have gotten and apply them to what we want to understand. Face value of digits. Now, if we take the digit 0, for example, as we look at the digit 0, we can say we are looking at the face of the digit 0. And therefore, we are able to identify that this is the digit 0. And it is not the digit 1 or 2 or 3 or even 9, but it is the digit 0. What is the value of the digit 0? The value of the digit 0 is 0, because 0 means nothing and nothing means 0. And therefore, the value of the digit 0 is 0. Remember, the word value means how much something is. So when we say the value of the digit 0, we are asking how much is the digit 0. The digit 0 is 0. When we look at the digit 4, for example, we can say we are looking at the face of the digit 4. And therefore, we are able to identify that this symbol is the digit 4 and it is not the digit 5. It is not the digit 0. It is the digit 4. So, what is the value of 4? Well, the value of 4 is 4. What is the value of the digit 5? The value of the digit 5 means how much is the digit 5? The digit 5 is 5. So now we can answer the question, what is face value of a digit? Let's write that question down and then we will answer it. So, what is the face value of a digit? And the answer is the face value of a digit is the actual value of the digits. So, what is the face value of a digit? And the answer is the face value of a digit is the actual value of the digit. So when we say what is the face value of a digit, what we are simply asking is how much is the digit, or how much does the digit stand for? We can also say how much does the digit represent? And the answer to that is the face value of a digit is the value of the digit. We can also say the face value of a digit is the actual value of the digit. And we can also say the face value of a digit is the real value of the digit. Now, let's take some examples of finding the face value of digits. So, let's find the face value of the digit 1. So, what is the face value of the digit 1? And the face value of the digit 1 is the value of the digit 1. We can also say the face value of the digit 1 is the actual value of the digit 1. We can also say the face value of the digit 1 is how much 1 is. And 1 is simply 1. And therefore, the face value of the digit 1 is 1. Let's look at another example. What about the face value of the digit 0? Well, the face value of the digit 0 is 0, because the face value of the digit 0 is the actual value of the digit 0, or how much 0 is. And 0 is 0, and therefore the face value of the digit 0 is 0. We will realize that when the digits are standing alone, for example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, the face value is 0. The face value of 1 is 1. The face value is 2. And the face value of 3 is 3, up to we get to the face value of 9, which is simply 9. Now let's look at examples where we have more than one digit standing together. So find the face value of each digit in the number 24. The number 24, so we can find the place value of a digit by multiplying the face value of the digit with the value of its number place. Let's see what we mean by that. Now, when we write a digit alone, for example 0, when we write the digit 0 alone, 0 is in the one's number place because it is standing alone. So how do we find the place value of this 0 standing alone? We are going to multiply the face value of this 0 and the value of its number place. And the face value of this 0 is 0 because the face value of a digit is the actual value of the digit. So we are going to multiply it with the value of its number place. The number place is 1, or the one's number place, and therefore the value of the number place is 1. So 0 multiplied by 1, and that will give us the value 0, or a place value of 0. Let's look at another example. Let's find the place value of the digit 2 standing alone. What is the place value of the digit 2 standing alone? And the place value of this digit 2 is going to be the face value multiplied by the value of its number place. And the face value of these two is 2 multiplied by the value of its number place. The number place is the ones place, and therefore the value of the number place is 1. And so we are going to have a face value of 2 multiplied by a place value of 1, and that will give us the value 2, or the place value 2. So the place value of 2 standing alone is equal to 2. Well, this arrow is just pointing to the calculation. Okay, very good. Let's look at another example. So find the place value of the digit 6. Find the place value of the digit 6. 6 is standing alone, and therefore it is standing in the ones number place. And the face value of the digit 6 is given by its face value, which is 6 multiplied by the value of its number place, which is 1, and therefore the place value of the digit 6 is equal to the value 6. Let's look at another example. Find, this time we are writing the question, find the place value of the digit 9. So we can say the place value of 9 is equal to face value of 9 multiplied by value of number place. And that will be 9 multiplied by 1, which is the value 9. And therefore, the place value for the digit 9 in the number 592 is the face value of 9, which is 9 multiplied by the number place of 9, which is 10, and that will give us a place value of 90. Now the place value of the digit 5 in the number 592. That will be a face value of 5 multiplied by a number place of 100, and that will give us a place value of 500 for the digit 5 in the number 592. Now let's add one digit in front of this, and that will give us the number 2592, and we are to find the place value of each digit in the number 2592. The place value of 2 in this number will be the face value multiplied by the number place, which is 1, and that is giving us a place value of 2. A place value of 9 will be the face value, which is 9, multiplied by the number place, which is 10, and that will give us a place value of 90 for the digit 9. And for the digit 5, we're going to have a face value of 5 multiplied by the number place, and that will give us a place value of 500. And the place value for the digit 2, that will be the face value multiplied by the number place. The number place is the thousands number place, and that will give us a place value of 2000. And therefore 2, the digit 2 in the number 2592 is 2000. Now let's look at a case where a digit is repeated in a number. So the question is, find the place value of each of the digits in the number 4, 6, 7, and that is the number 467. Find the place value of each of the digits in this number. Let's start with the digit 7. The place value of the digit 7 is the face value of the digit 7, which is 7 multiplied by the value of the number place where the digit 7 is at. And counting from our right hand side, 7 is in the ones number place, and therefore the value of the number place is 1, and therefore 7 in the number 467 has a place value of 7. What about the place value of the digit 6 in the number 467? That will be the face value of 6, which is 6 multiplied by the value of the number place of the digit 6. And counting from our right hand side, 7 is in the ones number place, 6 is in the tens number place, and therefore the value of the number place of 6 is 10, and so 6 has a place value of 60 in the number 467. Let's go to the digit 4. The place value of the digit 4 in 467 is going to be the face value of 4, which is 4 multiplied by the value of the number place of 4. So counting the number places from our right hand side, 7 is in the ones number place, 6 is in the tens number place, and 4 is in the hundreds number place. And therefore, the value of the number place of 4 is 100. And therefore, the digit 4 in the number 467 has a place value of 400. Let's look at another example. So let's find the place value of each digit in the number 592. We're finding the place value of each of the digits in the number 592. Let's start with the digit 2. The place value of 2 in 592 is given by the face value of 2, which is 2 multiplied by the value of the number place of 2. And counting from our right hand side, the digit 2 is in the ones number place. And therefore, we are going to have a face value of 2 multiplied by a number place. Therefore, we are going to have a face value of 2 multiplied by a number place of 1. And that will give us a place value of 2 for the digit 2 in the number 592. Hey, so now let's look at a situation in which a digit is repeated in a number. So let's take, for example, 242. And the question is, find the place value of each digit in the number 242. So the place value for these 2 is going to be the face value, which is 2 multiplied by the value of its number place. And counting the number place from the right hand side, this 2 is in the ones number place. And therefore, we have the face value 2 multiplied by the number place, which is 1, and that will give us 2. And therefore, the place value of this 2 is 2. Let's come to the place value of 4 in the number 242. And that will be the face value of 4, which is 4 multiplied by the number place or the value of the number place. And the value of the number place, or simply the number place, is from our right hand side, this 2 is in the ones number place, and the 4 is in the tens number place. And therefore, the place value will be the face value 4 multiplied by the number place, which is 10, or the value of the number place, which is 10. And that will give us a place value of 40 for the digits 4 in the number 242. Let's find the place value for this 2. That will be the face value 2 multiplied by the number place or the value of the number place. Now, this 2 is in the ones number place, 4 is in the tens number place, and this 2 is in the hundreds number place. And therefore, we multiply the face value with the number place, and that will give us 200. A place value of this digit 2 is 200. Now, this makes us see clearly that place value depends on the number place of a digit. Now, this 2 is in the ones number place, and it has a place value of 2. And this 2 is in the hundreds number place with a place value of 200. Let's look at another example. Let's look at the number 6,222. And the question is, find the place value of each digit in the number 6,222. So the place value for these 2 will be the face value, which is 2 multiplied by the number place, and the number place of this 2 is 1, and therefore we have a place value of 2. The place value for this 2 is also the face value multiplied by the number place, and the face value is 2. The number place is tens number place, and therefore we multiply by 10, giving us a place value of 20 for this 2. And the place value for this 2 will be the face value, which is 2 multiplied by the number place, which is the hundreds number place, and therefore 2 multiplied by 100, and that will give this 2 a place value of 200. Now let's come to the place value of 6, and that will be the face value of 6, which is 6 multiplied by the number place of this 6. And the number place of this 6 is the thousands number place. And therefore we will multiply the 6 with 1,000. And that will give us a place value of 6,000. 6,000. And therefore the place value of this 6 is 6,000. Well, now we believe you know what is the face value of a digit, and you also know what is the place value of a digit, and of course how to find all of them. We also want to bring to your attention that now when we are solving for a place value of a digit, and we write, for example, find the place value of each digit in the number 24, and you find for 4 to be 4 multiplied by 1, which is the number place, and that gives us a place value of 4, for the digit 4 in the number 24, and also the place value of 2 being 2 multiplied by 10, which is the number place of 2 in the number 24, giving us the value or the place value of 20. You are not supposed to write your answer in this way. We just wrote it that way for explanation purpose. Okay? Now, if you have to write your answer, then of course you have to write it in a much better way than what we have done over here. Now, let's see one simple way you can present your answer. So, to find the place value of each digit in the number 24, we can simply say the place value of 4 in 24 is equal to face value of 4 multiplied by number place of 4, and that will give us 4 multiplied by 1, and our place value for the digit 4 in the number 24 will be 4. So this will be the best way for you to present your answer when you are working in, let's say, section B of an examination. Well, that brings us to the end of this class. We hope to see you in our next class. Thank you.